So we have a couple questions on the board. New ones. It says, question number 1. If I performed a mitzvah and did not say a blessing before performing the mitzvah, did I fulfill the obligation?
Yes. So mitzvah and obligation, two separate things. Actually, most of the blessing before and then sometimes after the mitzvah, were added by our sages, except Birchas Hamazon. Maybe some others, but I would not remember which one at this point. So two separate things. To perform mitzvah is biblical, and to say the blessing, let's say, it's rabbinical. I mean, I'm not minimizing rabbinical mitzvahs, chas v'shalom. Actually, we've always said that Torah said that we have to listen to our rabbis, so all of the rabbinical is actually biblical, right? But what I'm trying to say, two separate things. Right, so just because you did not do one, so does not mean it negates the other. For example, if person has a problem on his arm, right, so he cannot put tefillin, right, injured, whatever is it, right? So he would put tefillin on the head, and he would do the mitzvah, two separate mitzvahs. You understand? So may make blessing on that tefillin on the head.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So the second question our friend asks is, how often should we recite Lshem Yichud?
Lshem Yichud, you recite every time it says in the Siddur. Right, so we say Lshem Yichud. For example, before I do before putting the talis before tefillin. I'm not sure. I don't remember, unfortunately. Before talis, for sure, we said Lshem Yichud, but otherwise, in all some other cases, I don't remember. That's for sure. And sitting in the sukkah, some for sure there we say, but during the daily prayer, I don't think so.
Hello?
Yes.
I know our friend just gave a hard answer. I was just wondering if our friend was referring to the introductory part that we say Lshem Yichud before every prayer that we do, or is something else, because I don't know if there's like something. I believe there's like a prayer that is called Lshem Yichud that is recited before a mitzvah or something like that, or I don't know if our friends refer to this.
Maybe kabbalistically, but it's not necessary. Basically, it's not. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.